Hey guys, it's Noah here. Today, I'm gonna tell you like this. We're gonna find out once and for all what's better to use to strip the seasoning off your griddle. Palm sander versus grinder. And today we will find out which one is gonna take home the bacon. We'll see you in a bit. Well, if you've been following along, we're trying to see which one's better, palm sander or disc grinder. So far, we've been hitting this probably about 15 minutes now, and you can see how even I've gotten that. And I've gone through one whole pad of the 40 grits, and this is my second one. I'm already started, and I'm pretty much done. It is a lot of elbow grease put into this, if you know what I mean. It's a lot of work. But now we're gonna try it out, the disc grinder with the flat disc. So let's take a look at how that goes. All right, so now you're back again. Appreciate you guys watching. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe. But check this out. I've been doing this probably now for maybe about 5-6 minutes. And the difference is extremely noticeable. And I have to say this because I have a background as a CNC machinist and just working with tools. The trick to using this grinder is definitely going to be just lightly touching it and brazing it. You don't want to dig in, dive in, and lean into it. You want to lightly just go over it and barely touch the surface. Barely, like this. And what I discovered is it comes out a lot faster. It's definitely a lot less work, but only if you use the tool right. Now, what I did discover, trying to get the corners and the edges is a lot harder. So the best tool to use that for the corner and the edges is going to be the regular orbital sander, or this case of palm sander. And it is a lot easier to get the edges because you can get a really clean edge. But I want you to see the difference between the two. And I could tell you it is a night and day difference using the grinder. It's a lot faster. You would appreciate it. So if you have it, all you got to do, this is not a grinding wheel, by the way. This is a, let me back up. This is a flap disc. That's what that is. It's a flap disc. And so this flap disc is not a grinding wheel per se. It will grind, but it's more like a sander. That's the way I'm using it, to lightly sand it. But man, I'm barely touching this, and it's just coming off like butter. Like butter. So if you want to get this done in no time, you know, let's say you've been using it for football season or baseball season, and you want to clean it up just because you got an event coming up, it's just pretty dirty, then get a flap disc. Also, use your palm sander just to get the edges real nice and clean. But if you ask me who I'd pick, this grinder all day, baby. All day long. If you don't have one, get you one, get you a flap disc, and you will thank me later. Okay. Whew. Now that wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. And I want to encourage you, it's not that bad as you think it's going to be. Now, I did watch other videos on what other people had done in the past, and I did take some of their tips. Like number one, if you look to my right, which is your left, I have a fan. This makes it a lot easier to blow the dust away from you while you're working, so you're not inhaling that stuff. You can also wear a mask, but I have a high-powered fan, so I wasn't breathing none of that in as I was working. And also, obviously, safety always comes first, so make sure you always put on your safety glasses. But look at the finished product. And this is what I want y'all to look at, is that what it looks like now. So it is a night and day difference of where it was now, where it was, and now where it is. And so I just want you to take a look at that because it's a big difference. And I'm gonna have some images put up too here shortly on this video. I'll put that into there so you can see what it looked like before and what it looks like after. The next stage, what I want to do is I've wiped it down, you know, really well several times, just with a wet rag. I don't want to put water on here. You don't have to. You could probably do a little soap and water on here. I don't want to do that because what I'm going to do is something very important. I'm going to go through the break-in process, and what we're going to do is we're going to put our burners on. We're going to ignite it, and then what we're going to do is we're going to put them on medium. I'm going to use some regular canola oil. Nothing fancy, nothing expensive. Something super, super duper cheap. And I'm just going to pour it on there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to basically, at this point, just go ahead and move all the oil over. And what we're gonna do, you want to see my assistant? This is my assistant right here. What's up, JP?
JP.
He has his own YouTube channel too. What's the name of your YouTube channel?
Give a shout out, and we just began this YouTube channel today. It took me 2 days. It's called Pug Plays. We'll be releasing some videos soon, and hope to see you.
Pug Plays. So y'all like, subscribe. But look, watch what I'm doing, y'all. Watch this. Look at that, boy. Look, oh, beautiful. Beautiful. I'm just evenly spreading that oil around. It's smooth. Boy. I look like Mr. Miyagi right there. Wax on, wax off. Wax on, wax off. So we'll let this burn through. And then I'm going to do something. Just what I like to do is I'm going to go ahead and reapply after that first coat. And I'll burn a second layer on here. And all the steel will start to turn that beautiful bronze color here in the next 15 to 10 minutes. So yeah. All right, family. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Make sure you like, subscribe, share this video if it helped you a lot. Tell a buddy, because honestly, I make this video because I couldn't find anything that could help me clean my griddle in a fast, effective way. And there were some things I saw, like from 3M. I think they had some kind of cleaner you put on your grill, but that's not for a seasoned grill. I'm talking to seasoned cookers who maybe have let their grill go and it's filled with rust and grime. What I just did was a way of cleaning it and preparing it so you can use it again like it's brand new. So basically we restored this griddle into like a brand new status. So instead of you going out buying a new one of these flat tops, you can just grind it. I mean, the flap disc was nothing but $7 at Home Depot, and the sandpaper was like another $7. But I went through 2 of the square sandpapers, and I only went through 1.5 of the flat disc. So definitely worth the investment. Super fast to do with the disc grinder. Next time I'll just do it all with the disc grinder, and then I'll hit the edges up with the regular palm sander. But definitely, fam, like I said, this video worked out for you. Share, subscribe, and just share with a friend. All right, talk to you guys later. Peace out. Okay. So now it's officially seasoned. So you too can get this done. It did not take long grinding it, preparing it. It was so easy, and I encourage you to do it. Now I will say the seasoning part takes longer, but at the end of the day, it's ready for some bacon and eggs and some fresh pancakes. See you guys later. Take care.